Hello friends, I am Gan and welcome back to our channel Sparrow Softtech. Today we will discuss about AI technology. What is the AI and how it's applicable in regular life? So let's get started. First of all, we understand what is the AI. AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation process of a human intelligence, especially in computer system. So artificial intelligence is the one type of intelligence same as the human as the use as a computer system. Specific application of AI include expert intelligence, machine system, machine vision, and some natural language processes. So now question is that how actually AI works. So let's understand that. In general, AI system works administrate large amount of labeled training data and transferring the data, analyzing the data for correction and patterns. Using that data, we predict about the future state. In this way, chatbot is the best example. Chatbots accept the test, learn something and give the answer and life like a human. And the other example is image recognition tool. It's a tool in which we apply any image and tool will give us some response. That's the best example of AI. Image recognition can learn to identify and describe the product or image. So, the image recognition or chatbot is the best example of AI technology. So, now we can say that AI means artificial intelligence says, if you give us some data, some amount of data, and a machine can learn this data and give me this some amount of response or some specific response to a human or people. So, this process we can say this process is artificial intelligence. In nowadays, AI programming focus on the three skills. First is the learning process, second is the reasoning process, and third is the self-correction process. First, learning process. It means machine learns something new. Reasoning means machine understands something. And the self-correction means machine corrects itself. It means self-correction. So these three are basic things or basic skill required for AI processing. In another video, we will see this processing in deep. But today we will talk about the next thing. What is the advantage and disadvantage of AI technology? So let's start understand with the advantage. Advantages of the AI technology. So first advantage is good and detail oriented job. Second example is reduced time for a heavy data task. If we are applying any regular work or consistent work from AI, then AI reduces the time for this heavy data task. Our third advantage is delivered a regular and consistent result for our task. Fourth advantage is AI powered a virtual agent for always. So this is a basic advantage of AI. Now see what is the disadvantages of AI. So first of all, first disadvantage is that AI is very expensive. If we consider the cost of AI, it's very expensive. But in future generation, AI is not very costly. Second disadvantage is that for running of AI, we require deep technical assistance or technical team. So third disadvantage is the lack of ability to generalized work transferred to the one task to another task. So this is the basic three disadvantages of AI. Many of disadvantages and advantages here. But in this video, we will see the basic disadvantages and advantages. So let's move then today's video on another topic. So now we see what is the example of AI technology in our regular life. You may be a CEO of this example or maybe not. So let's start with the first example. It's an automatic car. Tesla, one of the best example of that. Tesla made automation cars. It's that no need of drivers. It's run without driver with the artificial intelligence. So this is the best example of AI technology. The AI technology, another example is the machine learning. If you give us some task or search in Google, so in another day or in same day, you will see many ads of that. So this is a machine learning. Same as the machine vision. And another example of AI is the automation, industrial automation. You see many robots, cobots in an industry. So this is the industrial automation. Another example is NLP. NLP means natural language processing. So this is a sum of example of AI technology. So AI means artificial intelligence. One type of intelligence like a human or people, it's using by computer system or data analysis. I hope you understand what is the AI and what is the AI technology. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then press the like button, subscribe to Sparrow Softtech YouTube channel and stay with us. Thank you so much.